हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है अल्फा पार्टिकल ट्रेजेक्टरी. सो फॉर अल्फा पार्टिकल ट्रेजेक्टरी, ओके, यस. सो हियर इफ वी हैव वन न्यूक्लियस विच इज ऑफ एयू न्यूक्लियस, राइट. तो हमने ये जो भी रुदरफोर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया था उसमें एक गोल्ड फॉइल को रखा था, एकदम पतली गोल्ड फॉइल थी का हमने यूज़ किया था. और यहाँ पर उसका एक न्यूक्लियस है. न्यूक्लियस इज अ वेरी रिजिड बॉडी, राइट, फॉर द अदर पार्टिकल्स. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम हियर different electrons are just emitted from the electron gun and they are moving toward this nucleus of gold, right. So there are many electrons actually. Here it also many electrons like this. Okay, now uh, one horizontal line. So this is one horizontal line. From this particular reference line we have distance from it, and from this distance like this, from this to this distance, right. So it is called impact parameter. B is called impact parameter B, right. Okay, now what is actually B? So B is the distance from the horizontal line which is from gold nucleus, right. So if some electrons are moving in on this line, so they get head on collision. So it is called head on collision. क्यों हम लोग इसको head on collision बोलेंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन एग्जैक्टली ये न्यूक्लियस के साथ टकराएगा, हेड टू हेड कोलिजन होगा. And whenever there is head on collision, it will reflected back at the angle of 180 degree. उसी पाथ पे, सेम पाथ. So emission path is equal to reflected path. Both are same. Okay, what about this? Now B is increasing. If B is increasing, what happens? It will get scattered. Scatter means electron gets repelled due to electrons which are revolving around the nucleus, right. So electrons of gold just repelling the electrons which are coming through the electron gun. And exactly what happens here theta is more. So whenever B is increasing, theta will be decreasing. So B is increasing, theta will be decreasing. Okay, now again B is increasing, what happens? Like this. Here again what happens? Like this. Here again it will remain straight line as well. So this is at some point we get straight line, and that is called theta will be 0. So whenever theta will be 0, when the nucleus had no effect on the electron which are coming through the electron gun, so then and only then we get theta will be 0. There is no change of direction of that electron. But if we are moving towards this line, this B parameter, whenever it will be 0, then theta will be increasing. So theta increase होता चला जाएगा यहाँ पर, right. So that's alpha particle trajectory. If more and more electrons are coming towards this electron, more the scattering happens, more the repulsion takes place here, right. So that's it for today. Now please like and subscribe.